Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm gonna be smashing this cause it sucks, and yeah. It used to have a beak, but it broke off, so yeah. We're gonna go to the back here so that nobody will see me breaking this. Hey guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be breaking this. I've wanted to break this thing since the start of it, of when I started making it. Okay, this is gonna be satisfying, for me at least, because I want to smash it. Hold on. Let's see here. Don't know where to put you guys. Alright guys, you guys are gonna stay right there. Ooh, you're sideways. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, ready? Actually, I'm gonna put you guys over here so that you can see from the side view. Don't mind this stuff. This is just stuff that our old neighbors never took. I just already broke the leg. Jeez, it's strong. Jeez. See the damage on this. Ain't really that much damage here. I think a little piece of it fell down right here, but like, that's fine. Oh, that hurt. Oh, there it goes. Whew. It's in 3 pieces now, jeez. Broke one of the wheels off. I'm gonna, look at this. One wing, the whole body, another wing. Well, that's not a wing. That's like the back part of it. But here we go. Oh, this didn't break except this part of the leg. Oh! It's in little tiny pieces now. Only an eye is left. There's only a eye left. And then all of these pieces. We got currently 6 pieces of it. That just flew. Oh, it scratched me. I'm bleeding. Ooh. Ooh. That just stabbed me. It didn't really break. Only like a little tiny piece of it broke. Hold on. Oh, you guys fell. Can't really see that. What about I just hold you and do it? I'm gonna smash this part first because this is the one that did the least damage. Ready, set, go. Oh, I missed. Uh-oh. I didn't really break any. I'm surprised. Looks like we're gonna have to go as hard as we can here. Ooh. Sounded like that one was good. Oh, it's starting to come off. See that? If we can focus. Oh, yeah. It's coming off. That's fine, because I want it to. Oh, there it goes. Here's one part of it. Here's the body of it, which we didn't smash yet. This part would go on the bottom of this part. So, oh my god. I was zoomed in for most of the time. What the heck? Sorry, someone's beeping.